Hi guys, good morning. I'm starting this daily advice show for people who are doing their daily grind, and sometimes they feel probably demotivated because of a lot of matters. And since I'd like to help you, I'd like to help leaders lead, and I'd like to step into your shoes and feel what you're feeling right now, and give some advice, some pieces of advice coming from my experience. So for today, it is a very sunny afternoon out there right now, and I know some of you who are working in the night shift, especially those who are working in the BPO industry. Sometimes it's hard to sleep, right? So it's just a matter of accepting it. Sometimes it's 5 p.m. and you haven't really gotten any enough sleep, and you'll be reporting for work again, having those calls, or if you are a manager, a supervisor, director, VP, you'll be talking to clients. There could be escalation, right? It is a daily grind, and a sad thing, unfortunately, you weren't able to find time to really rest and have some sleep, right? Well, definitely, it's a nuisance, and that has been the way of life for a lot of BPO employees, right? So one thing that I can provide you to lessen the stress is mingle with your friends, guys. So feel excited to meet your friends. They are feeling the same, probably the same emotions that you have. Have some coffee. Doesn't have to be the expensive brands. You can go to your pantry. Usually there's free coffee, right? Talk about things. Talk about anything else other than the BPO industry or the account that you have been managing. So take that advice, and make life exciting. If you can, if it is your rest day the following day. Sometimes we go out after shift. I know it's early, early morning, have breakfast. And the BPO industry is a people industry. So find time to socialize, and you know what, decades from now, the friendship that you have established will be very valuable to you. When you are in your 40s and above, friends will be very important, because they are the people who will be with you in times of challenges, when you are having difficulties about anything. Those friends will be able to help you. And most importantly, guys, be kind to your supervisors, to your bosses, because they are humans too. Probably they haven't slept as well, and they have tasks to do. Or if you are a boss, then be compassionate. It's easier to work when there is a positive work environment. So remember that. All right, guys. I hope I hope I put you to sleep. God bless.